Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday. I hope you had a terrific Tuesday and you're ready for a wonderful Wednesday. So for math, we've been learning about totals greater than 10, and we're going to continue our learning with this today. So let's start here. It says use cubes. I don't have cubes today, so I'm just going to draw a picture within the 10 frame because it says we need to make a 10 to find 8 plus 6. So let's draw first. I'm going to use blue to draw color in the 8, and I will use yellow to color in the 6. So count with me. Let's fill in the 8 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our 8. Now it's time for 6 yellows. So first, because we want to make a 10, we're going to fill in the rest of the 10 frame. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we can see that we have 10 in the 10 frame. And how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we want to add 10 and 4. So first, let's count on. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 equals 14, which means 10 plus 4 equals 14. Let's move on. Here we have a word problem. Let's highlight the important information after we read it. It says Jonah has 8 books. Sandra has 6 books. How many books do they have in all? So we know Jonah has 8 books. And Sandra has 6 books. And the question's asking, how many books do they have in all? And there's those special 2 words again, in all, which means we're going to add. So that must mean we're going to add 8 plus 6. Let's move on to the next slide to see a strategy we could use to solve this problem. So make a 10 to find the total. So here they have the 8 in the 10 frame and the 6 outside. And in order to make a 10, these 2 moved up into the squares, just like this. So here we have 10 and 4 left over, where here we had 8 and 6. So we know from counting that we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we added the 10 and the 4 to get 14. So that means our answer for this 10 plus 4 equals 14. Which means that 8, because we have 8 red, and 6 yellow, so 8 plus 6 also equals 14. So there are 14 books in all, or total. Let's move on to the next problem. Circle the true equation. So we want to find the answer first. So we need to find out if the answer will be 15 or if it will be 16. So here we have a number bond, and we wanted to make a 10. So they know, because the problem started with 9 plus 6, that 9 and 1 make 10. And then we need to add, we need to bring down the 5. So we need to solve for 10 plus 5. What does 10 plus 5 equal? Well, I could draw a picture. So I have 10, and let's count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So that means 6 plus 9, here we have 6 plus 9 equals 15. So here's the true equation. And here is our last problem for today. It says Kai draws 8 red fish and 5 blue fish. How many fish in all? So I want to look at this 10 frame first. I know in the top of the 10 frame there's 5 because we have a row of 5 and another row of 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means that Kai used blue to draw the 8 to resemble the 8 red fish. Let's use green to resemble the 5 blue fish. And then we need to solve how many fish in all. And there's that special word again, 2 words, in all, showing us that we're going to add. So here we go. We have 8, and let's make a 10. So let's count on to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that we want to add 8 plus 5 to find out how many fish. So we could do this by making a 10 if we so choose. So we have a 10 here. And how many left over? 3. And what we need to do is add. So what does 10 plus 3 equal? We have 10 here, 11, 12, 13. So that means 10 plus 3 equals 13, which also means that the 8 blue fish or 8 red fish and the 5 blue fish equals 13. So how many fish do we have in all? 13 fish. And that is the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice. So once again, you're going to be practicing solving addition problems with totals or answers greater, more than 10. If you have any questions while you're completing your work, I'm always here to help. Your parents can reach out to me via email, phone call, or text, and I'd be very happy to help. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I miss you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.